Okay, we're going to cover 5 things today: how to find an account, how to document a call, how to book a meeting on a calendar, how to see the meeting on my calendar, and then how to print a PDF for the client once you've acquired their commitment to a meeting. So the first thing is searching for an account. You can just do a search for an account name and you'll get the results set here. You can also go to accounts, click on, in this case, LMS accounts is what we're going to want to look at, so we click go, and you'll see we've got a bunch of numbers at the top. We can go to H, A, etc. It's one way to search. Or you can go back to all. I'm going to pull up 1-800 contacts. You also have the recent items over here. So I want to give the president, Brian, a call. So I'm going to scroll down to Brian Beathers under contacts and click on his record. Give Brian a call. I've just spoken with him. I need to log the call. So I'm going to hit this log a call button here. Call already comes up, but if I wanted to, I could click on this and choose other options. This is related to Brian. I could put the notes in here. Had a call with Brian and has budget, wants meeting. So now I save those notes. Now if you scroll under Brian, you'll see that the call here has been logged. I now need to set up an event. I'm going to click New Event. I'm going to schedule this event for tomorrow, the 25th. I'm going to write in the subject the account name and the client name. We'll make sure that this is related to Brian, and the location is Chicago, at Brian's office, Chicago, and bring portfolio to review. Some notes. I'm now going to confirm everything else here is correct. This is not an all-day event. It is at 1 o'clock for an hour. May want to set a reminder. That's about it. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to scroll down, and you're going to see that we've got 2 open activities. We've got some calls here. The call is an activity history. It's already happened in the past, but as far as open activities, this is the particular one. Forget about this one. That one I made by mistake. So we've got one open activity here called 1-800 contacts LMS. This is the event we just set up. So if we look at this, we can go to our calendar here and click on the single user view. If I do that, we'll see that tomorrow we have 1-800 contacts for LMS at Brian's office in Chicago. Brian Beathers is here. It's 2 o'clock. I can actually click on this and learn more about it, or mouse over it. Let's go back. So if I mouse over it, you can see who it's assigned to, what time it is, that kind of thing. You can mouse over Brian and see the same thing. So then finally, if I want to send this to the client, I'm going to go to Brian Beathers, this particular contact. Take a look at the history, make sure that there's nothing in here that's sensitive that I wouldn't want to send to the client. So I click on at the top printable view. That is now going to launch another window with a printable view of Brian Beathers' record in Salesforce. I can scroll down and you're going to see activity history. You can see the calls that we've made along with the notes. And open activities, you can see that we've got this set on the calendar, what the comments are, and so we can send this to the client. And the way to do that is to do file, I believe, print, and then you can set it to Adobe PDF. So you'll have to have your PDF, this part set up, but as long as you have that set up, then you can print a PDF. So it's doing that now. And it's going to load up in a second here with this PDF, which I will then save to the desktop and send it as in an email to Brian. And that pretty much covers from top to bottom what needs to be done to use Salesforce for MaguireZay's business. We welcome any feedback as you start to learn and use this. Thanks for listening.